From battlefields to construction sites and from farmlands to the frozen Arctic, there's one invention that powers through it all: tracks. But wait, are they caterpillar tracks, continuous tracks, or crawler tracks? The most accurate engineering term is continuous track. This refers to the closed-loop system of linked segments that wrap around wheels and run continuously as the vehicle moves. No brakes, no ends, just a continuous motion. The name Caterpillar track actually came from the Holt Manufacturing Company in the early 1900s. Observers said the machine crawled like a giant caterpillar, and the name stuck. Holt later became part of Caterpillar Inc., and the term became popular worldwide. Caterpillar Inc. even trademarked the term Caterpillar for its brand, but the name is now often used generically. In the military world, they're almost always called tank tracks. Whether it's an armored vehicle, self-propelled artillery, or a main battle tank, this term highlights the vehicle more than the technology. In construction and earth-moving, you'll often hear the term crawler tracks or just crawlers. Machines like bulldozers, excavators, and drilling rigs use this terminology to emphasize their slow, deliberate movement and terrain versatility. Digging deeper, engineers refer to track chains for the metal link assemblies or track belts when made of rubber. The whole system, rollers, sprockets, idlers, and track, is called a tracked undercarriage. So which one should you use? It depends. If you're in a technical discussion, say continuous tracks. If you're in construction, say crawler tracks. And in the military, it's tank tracks all the way.